Hello everyone. Today we're going to do a trade recap. Now, I took a small loss overall, and going into the day, I was very bearish, and I think this trade might have had some like chase to it almost, because the initial trade I didn't get an entry to. The initial trade I wanted was so let's mark out market open, right? So let's zoom out. We were very bearish overall, huge sell-off, change in the state here. We expected this to be a big sell-off, but it was like when. So we zoom in, we have this 15-minute imbalance right here. As you see, zooming in even more, we have 5-minute highs internally stacked inside of that imbalance, which direction is our buy side. So we come up and take it, and I was very bearish here. We have these stacked lows on top of each other. We wanted to go lower, and then moving into that, we come up and take it. So what was I watching here? I wanted to see this get inverse, and then we also get a mean change in the state here. But so we don't get any of that. We get the change in the state, but then the level gets taken, so it kind of invalidates it. Now, could you have caught the move back in this 1 minute? Yes, but I think it becomes very less probable. And so at this moment, I should have been off the charts and done trading for the day, because essentially my morning objective has been taken. So what else am I looking for? And this is where it gets almost like I feel like I was kind of chasing this trade in essence. Because so I had this standard deviation projection drawn out, and we reacted very well to it. We reacted up, so you expect us to come back up to this level, and then potentially see lower, right? So I mark out this high in there, internal buy side, zoom in. We come up and take it, but price was also very one second, very very divergence, because ES was still like lacking down here. So now I'm zoomed in at this point, and I think I recognize that there was this 5 minute here. I was aware of that, but I mean, I don't know. This gets weird because like I think there was probability of us coming down. So I think we get this internal change in the state here with decent displacement, right? You get a bearish fair value gap. So I stab a short here with stops at this high and targeting kind of just this internal level and this internal standard deviation, because I do think we will potentially head higher, but I do want to see us come down a little bit. We end up just not coming down at all. I get stopped out for a small loss. Not necessarily the maddest at this trade. Do I think it could have maybe been avoided? Sure. Especially once morning objective is taken, I probably should try to stem away from it. I should just hop off the charts. Could have been from stemming, but like it's weird because like the 4 hour and 1 hour were very, very bearish. 15-minute was pretty bearish. This was before the candle closed, and we were getting mean wick down, right? We were getting a wick like we were respecting this level right here, which gave me more confidence. But then the 5 minute was obviously very bullish. You have a 5 minute change in the state. So I guess that's probably where I went wrong, because you're not going to change the state then instantly change the state back to the downside. So I probably could say I became too zoomed in there, which is probable to say. I wouldn't say that's a bad thing to say. Still a small loss though. I'm not mad at it at all. Do I think I could have been better? Yeah, probably. Will it be? Yeah, but yeah, that's a small loss today. If you enjoyed this video, like and subscribe. Join my free Discord link in the description. Thank you guys so much.